So, good morning everyone. Out here for some tie-dye. We've had our shirts soaking up in our soda ash for the last about 15-30 minutes. We're gonna wring them out and twist them up and do some tie-dye this morning. This is not a regular scheduled tie-dyeing session. This is a special session due to the recent interest, we'll say. Yeah. Yeah. Got the baby out here with us. She's watching.
Yeah.
Watching from a distance. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. This is an extra large.
You don't want to do it up here? I'm gonna clean it, I promise. She don't want to do it on the table because it's our new table and she don't want to get it dirty. But that's what it's for.
I feel like I can get more space on this. Do you see what I'm saying? Because like on this.
Whatever you want to use, babe. We're gonna pull the umbrella up in the future for these, but since we're just doing some shirts today, we figure this will be all right. Get us twisted up. What's this one gonna be?
I just know the colors. I don't know what it's gonna be in. I guess it's gonna be a spiral.
Yeah.
It's a extra large.
Oh. XL. We don't do too many XLs these days. We need to start doing more of them though. We're gonna start doing 2X and everything here pretty soon, but right now we're just doing the XLs, larges, mediums, and smalls. But if you want something different, let us know. We can make anything in particular.
I'm working on doing a custom post where you can request custom designs and
yeah, right now everyone's just been emailing me, but
soon we'll have a listing.
We're trying to get it all set right.
Where y'all can just go through our Etsy store. But if y'all request something or message us on Etsy, we can always make a custom listing like with y'all's name on it and then just post it to our store and do it that way.
We'll get it figured out.
That's
so what colors are we going to use today?
I need rubber bands.
Oh, gotta have the bands.
She wouldn't let me take the bottle out of her mouth. She's slowing down. At least she knows how to push it out of her mouth now. We have the smartest baby, I swear.
So we're getting all banded up. Look at that.
Let's get our rack ready out there.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, it's gonna be hotter than a motherfucker out here.
It is pretty hot out here.
That thing keeps spoofing me in the head.
I can take my clothesline down. Colors, pretty colors. Granny apple. I like the granny apple. It's very vibrant. What is that there?
Sky blue.
Sky blue.
What is this? Turquoise.
Turquoise.
I kind of want a glacier.
Glacier. Ooh.
And maybe let's do some lavender.
Some lavender.
I don't know what guys would like in their tie-dye, so that's why it's hard for me to make these.
I don't know either.
I don't know what kind of color schemes dudes like. I just think of ones that are like girly per se, like pinks and.
Let us know in the comments below, people.
What colors? Like deep purple, light green. Like I just don't know. We have light and dark in every color.
Yeah.
So
we've got quite the array now.
we really do.
It's hot out here, man. It's only like 10 o'clock in the morning, but it's already steaming. And we know the GoPro likes to overheat as well. That's always good fun. We're trying to get something worked out on that. I mean, we have a nice DSLR, but it only shoots in 1080. So we tried to shoot in this so we can shoot in 4K, and it's just a little more user-friendly. But
yeah, because neither of us really know how to work the DSLR.
Yeah, like we can make it shoot decent footage, but we don't really know what we're doing. We don't have a background in photography or anything. Neither one of us do.
I took a photography class in high school.
I have never taken anything.
But that's about the extent of my camera knowledge.
If you're wondering why our quality isn't always the best, that's why. We don't really know what we're doing on the video side. We barely know what we're doing on the tie-dye side.
Yeah.
But we do know what we're doing when we fix stuff.
Yes, you do.
It's about the only time I know what I'm doing. And half the time I don't know what I'm doing then.
Half the time you just wing it there.
Yep.
Use deductive reasoning.
Yeah, we fly by the seat quite a bit here. We somehow seem to always pull it through though, so we make the best out of what we got. Granny apple is so vibrant. Look at this. Woo!
I think you're thinking of lime pop.
The lime pop is the one that really stands out.
Yeah.
And it's really cool too, because like the dye itself is yellow, but when you add water to it, it becomes green. It's really cool. The transition of mixing it's really cool. I'll have to film a video of that one day. Yeah, the lime pop is definitely happening. A lot of our new colors are quite vibrant like that, though.
I got a bunch of neons with this one. I kind of wanted that.
Ah, they look good. Because we had all our like basic primaries and stuff like that already, but we couldn't make certain pastels because at the time we ordered our dye, there was no gray or white available. And
I don't think they even sell a white for real.
Yeah, we just really needed a gray to be able to make some pastels, but they didn't even have that, so we ended up having to order some pastel dyes.
Our pink we made by ourselves was pretty spot on.
Yeah. Yeah, if I could have had some cream or something to touch it up, it would have been about perfect. It was pretty close, and we made it out of like light red. Just kept tweaking it till we got it right. Look at that. That's a nice deep colored one. Lots of blues and greens. I think it'll look wonderful. No mistakes, only happy accidents, right?
I guess so.
Yeah, buddy. Ooh.
Did I tell you a girl I know from... Make sure you don't edit this part in.
No, it's gonna be in, so.
Okay, never mind.
Whatever you say is going in.
Can't just do like a fast forward.
No, I don't have that kind of editing time. We don't have that kind of time anymore. It won't appear in the shorts because, like, the way I make these videos is we edit the whole twisting and dyeing, and then we do the rinsing and revealing. And I split those up into like 3 60-second shorts and then put them all together for one 60-second short as well. So it won't make it into the shorts because I'm obviously have to be quite selective of the audio I use, and it's all very direct because it's only a 60-second short, and we're usually clipping out of like a 5 to 8 minute video. But it will be in the main one. But no one watches those hardly. So okay. Camera died out on this one, but yeah, we got that one died up. We're gonna put her on the old sit and wait rack, and we'll see y'all tomorrow. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day.